Cameras rolling, every shot is clean. Living every second of the dream we've seen. Rubber on the tarmac, echo through the air. If you're chasing greatness, then you find us there. Adrenaline popping, heartbeat in sync. Every lap faster than you probably think. Friends beside me, family by choice. Every exhaust crackle got its own voice.
So we are with Team AMG today, and we are recording on my Sony A7 II. And we're going to figure out how well it actually performs as a vlogging camera, and it is much more heavier. So today will be a 5-1. So we are just lining up to go to the other service station with Team AMG, and this is the lovely lineup we're having. Everyone lined up, everyone primed, and we got Shelly with us today. Super early, so it's going to be a fun day. Right, get the party started.
No shortcuts, no fear, no looking back. Every mile written deep into the track. We came together with one clear goal, causing memories feeding the soul. This is Team AMG UK, side by side. Living every moment with nothing to hide. Foot to the floor while the skyline flies. Dreams become.
This is the second part. Literally, there's a massive trail of AMGs, and we are shooting on a Sony, like I said before, because we want to test out the full capabilities of it. And obviously I am with Naz as my co-pilot, basically. He's the one driving me around, making sure we get all the footage, all the videos, and we are literally on our way to Brand Hatch. So we'll see what's going on at the Brand Hatch.
I have my mic's plugged in, but that'll do. I've got a foldable bike in the back if you want. That'll be good seeing Victor.
So we are literally on the Brand Hatch. There's a massive queue, and I don't know how well you can guys see the lineup of Team AMG. It is nuts.
Nothing to hide. Foot to the floor while the skyline flies. Dreams become real underneath these skies. Captured forever by Project 720, turning every memory into something new. Every frame tells a story so true, built by the crew that always comes through. Yeah. Corners calling, tires finding grip. Every downshift gives another hit. Some reflecting off the polished paint. These are the memories money can't replace. Different bills but the same ambition. Every driver chasing their own vision. Laughing in the paddock, smiles all day. That's the reason that we
Team AMG, we just lined up. Yeah, so many of us. Everyone nicely lined up. Right next to the paddocks. So yeah, so many of us. That's so cool.
Oh yeah.
That's awesome. Literally, me and Henry right now have, and Shelly, can't forget about Shelly and Henry. We found like a good spot on the top of the paddocks, and we can see all of Team AMG lined up. And as you can tell, we even have a Lambo in our stand, which is quite insane.
Don't forget the bins.
Oh yeah, and the bins, which we had to move because they were in our way, but that's fine.
There's more bins than cars.
Yeah, apparently there's like 30 of us apparently, so it's going to get quite wild. It's a pretty big event, as you guys can see. It's massive. So I don't know how well you guys can see, but we're literally walking past this way with Henry and Shelly. Team AMG is literally just lined up there. But we're walking here just to... Oh, that looks sick.
There's an upstairs.
Yeah, oh, this is nice.
Oh,
So... Oh no, we can't go up that way, that's P1. Oh, that looks incredible. Oh, can you imagine if Team AMG does the thingy? I can take pictures of everyone here. That's literally going to be insane. They're all coming out now. Oh, he's booking it. Don't know. So, I don't know if I allowed up here, but we're going to test out the theory, if we can.
So from what I know, that area there is where it says race events and track days. So that's where we'll have to check.
Yeah.
Because I know they can also just as much as me.
I don't have a helmet though. Do you have a helmet?
Oh, fuck. I don't.
Maybe they
Maybe no track time then.
Yeah.
There's another upstairs.
Don't think we can go up this one. These are offices.
Henry's like, I'm gonna go have a look.
So yeah, we don't know where we're exactly going, but we're gonna go all the way down there. And
There's a view here as well.
yeah, but I think that was gonna be better if you get to the other side. Actually, we're trying to find a good spot to take some good videos and pictures. They have a proper booth and everything.
Team FJ. I think Naz needs to get one of these.
Came this way, camera low, why they cost like pause. Moments like these were built to last. Every shot I click, every golden shot, freezing the memories that time forgot. No matter the weather, rain or shine, we'll be back here every single time. Fuel in the tank and a dream inside, living our passion from morning till night. One life, one chance, so make it count. Every lap adding another amount. No regrets when the